Where is Vladimir Putin? Rumours are swirling about the whereabouts of the Russian president as a result of him not being seen in public since March the 5th. Speculation runs the gamut from Putin undergoing plastic surgery to botched Botox to cancer and even death. Another possible explanation being touted is that he's whisked his girlfriend away to Switzerland where she's rumoured to have given birth. We also had this bizarre report out of Debka File which said that an announcement of Putin's death had briefly appeared on Prime Minister Dmitry Medvedev's website on Thursday, only to be removed 20 minutes later, prompting some Russian news websites to report that the Russian president had died. The Kremlin attempted to diffuse the speculation this morning by releasing this photo of Putin meeting with the Russian Supreme Court chairman. But of course this photo could have been taken at any time, and there's no actual proof that it's from the past 24 hours. Another unverified report being carried by the website Vlasti.net says that the Kremlin is preparing a major announcement this weekend, and journalists have been asked not to depart to cover this possible press conference. The report also cites tweets by CEO Alexander Mukin, which when translated state, "Be brave guys, Putin moved to the next level in your game." So after people weren't satisfied with the release of Putin meeting with the Supreme Court leader, they had to then do another announcement, which is that Putin will meet with the president of Kyrgyzstan on Monday. So until that time, this speculation and these rumours are likely to linger on. As the New York Times reports, Putin only dropped out of sight on two occasions. One was the Kursk submarine sinking, the other was the Moscow theatre siege. So the explanation could be that he's dealing with some kind of crisis behind the scenes. But until we see him appear in public on Monday, as the Kremlin promises, these rumours are only going to intensify. But as I wrote on Twitter, wherever Putin is, he's probably doing actual work rather than reading out mean tweets on Jimmy Kimmel Live, which is how Barack Obama spent last night. So what do you think's happened to Vladimir Putin? Let me know in the comments below. Check out the other videos, subscribe to the channel. I'm Paul Joseph Watson for Infowars.com.